Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is graphic design. Businesses and individuals are always looking for eye-catching visuals for their brands, websites, and social media. As a graphic designer, you'll create logos, posters, and other visual content. Start by mastering tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $25 to $150 per project, depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's needs and delivering designs that align with their brand. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is app development. With the rise of smartphones, businesses are always looking for developers to create apps that solve problems or provide entertainment. As an app developer, you'll design and build apps for various platforms. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of the appy. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's needs and delivering user-friendly apps. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to startups. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the tech world. Third is customer services. As more businesses go online, the demand for remote customer service representatives is growing. As a customer service specialist, you'll handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support to customers via chat, email, or phone. Start by learning the basics of customer relationship management, CRM tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Many companies pay $15 to $30 per hour for customer service roles, depending on the complexity of the tasks. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or apply directly to companies hiring remote customer service agents. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady source of income. Fourth is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, businesses are looking for experts who can use these tools to create high-quality content quickly. As an AI content generator, you'll use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, social media posts, and more. Start by learning how to use AI tools effectively and how to edit the content to make it sound natural. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for AI-generated content, depending on the volume and quality. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content agencies. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the content creation world. Finally, let's talk about print on demand. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator, which are great for creating designs. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose graphic design, app development, customer services, AI content generation, or print on demand, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.